In this video I'm just going to show you how to check your square feet area, because you just know about the length and width. Sometimes some people don't know about how to calculate area in square feet. So I'm just introducing three commands. First, let me start with the area command. Just type double A, enter for area command, and then click your all the corners one by one. And then enter. Just press F2 and then you get this box or window. See, here is your square feet area. Just type double A for area, enter, and then click your all the corners. When you are done with clicking all the corners, press enter and then F2. See, here is your square feet area. So second command is list. When you have a area with a polyline, even if you used any boundary for polyline, means every lines are connected with each other. In this case you can use a list command, list, enter. Normally just click your object and then enter. See, this box you get automatically. Here is your area, that is 234.9318 square feet. Normally just type list, enter, and then click your object, enter, and then you get your area. So last command, that is a property. Just select your area. Normally I'm just going to show you. See, whenever you used a property with a polyline where all lines are connected, and in case you used with the single lines, what is the difference? Click your object, type PR for properties, enter. See, here is the area, 234.9318 square feet area, in which case where all lines are connected with each other. So in second option, where our lines are not connected, if you just select this all lines and then press PR, enter. See, there is no calculation about square feet area. Why? Because we don't have lines with the connected. These lines are not connected, then we are not getting any square feet area. But if you have a connected line, if you have a polyline area or any object or your surface, then you get your square feet area with the properties. PR, enter. Normally select your area and then you get it in a square feet. In second option, if you don't have any connected lines, in that case you can use area command. Normally press double A